If a student is suspended from their college or university, they will have rights. As bad as the suspension is, it's obviously not as bad as an expulsion. Suspension, it will allow a student to return to that school. Sometimes schools, they would require a student to reapply. Other times, it's just, say, automatic that they would return at a later time. The concern would be it's not necessarily reflected on an academic transcript, but there would be a gap, so it may have to be explained to say, like, if a student seeking an internship or an employment in the future or going to graduate school, even if it's, say, not the disciplinary records that are being disclosed at that given time. In terms of trying to get the situation rectified, student often has an appeal right per the school's particular policies. Appeals often have to be submitted in a timely manner to the school. Generally, it's going to be based on, schools generally have the same kinds of appeal bases. For example, was there a procedural error or defect that resulted in this outcome? Or is there new evidence that would change the outcome? Is the sanction disproportionate to the offense? So those are potential appeal rights. It can also be that a student may have more fundamental rights if it's a, say, due process rights or contractual rights. If there's some failing or misstep on the school's part that led to this suspension, that can potentially be raised also at the school level, not necessarily in court, where an experienced attorney can help throughout the process, but especially, say, in terms of potential negotiations with the school's office of general counsel, the school's attorney. That is, an experienced attorney needs to be involved because so much is at stake. If a student is suspended, an attorney can help try to rectify that situation.